Empowering Communities, Microsoft Excel Training Collaboration between Mandavo Computer Learning Center and Danbaba Gawuna Foundation. Mandavo Computer Learning Center has joined forces with the Danbaba Gawuna Foundation to provide comprehensive Microsoft Excel training. This collaborative initiative, formalized through an agreement on February 21, 2024, aims to empower individuals with essential Excel skills over a 4-week training period. Recognizing Microsoft Excel as a crucial skill for individuals and organizations, the program is designed to ensure participants achieve proficiency in various aspects of Excel usage. The widespread applicability of Excel, from data entry and management to analytics, bookkeeping, and organizational tasks, underscores its significance in our daily lives. The program's sponsorship by Honorable Ali Ishaq Gawuna, the esteemed Councillor of Ward B and Apapa Local Government, Lagos State, reflects a commitment to fostering valuable skills within the community. Mandavo Computer Learning Center serves as the facilitating institution for this initiative, contributing its expertise to enhance participants' learning experiences. A special acknowledgement extends to Honorable Musa Nice for his pivotal role in establishing this collaborative connection. This collaboration stands as a testament to the collective effort invested in promoting skill development and technological literacy within our community. Together, we look forward to empowering individuals with the essential Microsoft Excel skills that have become indispensable in today's dynamic professional landscape. For inquiries and collaborations, reach out to Adewar David Afe, CEO/MD of Mandavo Computer Learning Center. +234 808 613 561. info@mandavo.com.ng